What is going on, guys? Uh, guys, it's not looking too bad today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But yeah, good morning, guys. I hope everything is going good. We're finally back. I'm feeling so much better. From last week. The cold is finally gone. Well, at least it feels like it's gone, right? But yeah, so far this market seems like it's kind of moving. I do have some sort of a reading here, so I'm about to start the live trading here in the premium. But I hope you guys are having an amazing morning. All right, guys. So let's see what we can cook up today. If you guys don't know, for those that don't know, maybe you guys are just tuning into the stream. Yesterday we ended up catching about a 120 point trade, almost at 200 points, 120 points, right? So we're off to a great start to the week. We're up a lot of money. So let's see what we could do this week, right? Let's see what we could do this, or not this week, today, right? So hopefully something comes up. I do have a setup here that I might want to take in a few minutes from now, but we're gonna see. All right, guys. But yeah, let me go ahead and start up the live trading here in the premium, for you guys, so we can start that up real quick. All right. So let's get to it. Let's see. Starting up the live trading. Oh, I mistyped that. Join up. Alright, hopefully we have a quick day today. I have some stuff to do later today, so we need the market to do something, right? But it seems like it's doing something. So, bruh, it's not giving me a link here. Oh shit. Hold on. Let me start it here from my the web page. But so far, it seems like we created a fair value gap, which is not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, cool. Okay, let me start the live trading. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, oh my. Okay, we're pumping up a lot. A lot. So let me explain this to them real quick. Yo. What's good, guys? Okay, I gotta talk quick here because I am seeing some sort of a setup. I'm seeing two setups here. Um, I I don't know why there's so much buying coming in, but well, let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. So let me screen share real quick. And get this going real quick, guys. Let me make sure that I'm live here on YouTube before I do. Here, let me put the link out. But what's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Now, I do have some time to speak about the setup because I thought it was gonna play out in the next 3 seconds, so we're good on that part. Um, but okay, let's get started. Now, obviously, first things first, what do we see on what's going on here in the market? Well, the first thing we see is we're currently inside of this 5-minute fair value gap that we created yesterday. This is actually around the price where we entered, about 40 points ahead, right? But for those that don't remember, or for those that that weren't in the live trading, we created this 5-minute fair value gap yesterday that we were looking to trade off of, right? Although we just never, retraced into it until now, right? Right now we are inside of this 5-minute fair value gap, which we could get a possible rejection, right? Now you might be asking, shouldn't we be inversing this since the trend is bullish? Well, we don't know yet. The market just opened about 16 minutes ago, so it's kind of hard to tell. All right. So what we're looking for right now, guys, is we're not going to be using this fair value gap as anything to trade. That's why I'm telling you guys we're not really in too much of a rush. We're actually going to be using this fair value gap as a bias in the market. You guys might realize, or you guys might have mentioned in the chat, I saw a lot of you guys saying, hey, there's a massive SMT, what's going on, blah, 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 blah. You guys get the point, right? So yeah, ES, on the other hand, we're currently rejecting from the complete top of this fair value gap. But yeah, ES did, or does, or did, I'm going to say did, have an SMT because it wants to go down, right? There's a lot of selling coming in. I mean, look at the selling on the first 5-minute candle, compared to NQ, right? There's a huge difference here. All right. So yeah, it seems like ES wanted to go down. I don't know if it still has room to go down. We can't tell just yet. I mean, the market just opened. Um. So yeah, we wanna see what we can work with this London low down here. It seemed like ES was really interested in playing around this level. It just couldn't because obviously NQ had way too much buying, which led ES a lot higher. It led it up, right? So now that we're still inside of this 5-minute bearish rally gap, we can still play around it. It's not invalid just yet until we fill it completely, which we did, but we can still reject, right? So what are we looking for? Well, what we're looking for is for a complete bearish bias. How do we find that? Well, since ES is inside of a bearish fair value gap as we speak and is trying to reject, right? With NQ, also being inside of a 5 minute bearish fair value gap and also trying to reject, what we could do is we could use these fair value gaps to start seeing if sellers can start stepping in, right? But you guys might realize we don't have the confirmation of a liquidity sweep, so how can we even trade it? Well, we do. Not yet, but we do have one to work with, right? So you guys might be paying attention, might be wondering like, hey, what is this 549 level doing in your chart? Although we already took it out. Well, you guys might realize that the fair value gap that we created right here, which is about a 43-point fair value gap, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 40 points. It's perfect, right? We have a perfect 40-point fair value gap right here, right? What we could do, guys, is we could look for a rejection from this 5 minute fair value gap. I don't know if we're gonna get it just yet, right? But we're looking for it. If we can get a rejection from this 5 minute fair value gap, get selling, inverse this fair value gap, and also sweep this 549 level, which is this London high, I'm pretty sure, or actually no, it's a New York high from yesterday, right? This liquidity up here. What we could do here is with us taking out this liquidity, right? All we have to do is just simply go below this level and inverse this 5 minute fair value gap. We should be good for shorts all the way to the downside into these London lows that we could take out, and it will also give ES the room that it wants to take out liquidity to the downside. Because you guys know, ES right off open was bearish, but it couldn't hold up because NQ had too many buyers, right? There's a big SMT, all right? So what I want to look for in this case is for us to close this fair value gap right here, right? We're looking for this one. We want to close this one, right? We're gonna close it in 7 seconds from now, right? We want to close this one and we want to start selling off like no other. Like we just want to start rejecting like crazy. Why is that? Because we're currently rejecting off a 5 minute fair value gap. Now, sure, you guys, if you guys want, you guys can always take shorts off this one. I personally wouldn't because there's not enough confirmation behind the setup, right? So once again, we're using this one as a bias, we're using this one as an entry. So right now, all we're looking for is for a lot of selling to start stepping in, which it's trying to, right? And all we need to do here is look for an inverse below this fair value gap. So we're looking for something like this. Just like this, we look for entry around here. You guys know the usual 25-point stop loss. And then we just simply target liquidity below, which would be, I would target these London lows, but we can always do lower, right? So we're going to target all these 4 levels of liquidity, just like that. So that is the current game plan for now. All right, guys. And yeah, ES seems like it also wants to reject off this 5 minute fair value gap, which is a very, very good thing, right? So let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. In the meantime, I'm going to start writing this alert just in case it does play out. Just so I can have it ready. So yeah, let me do this. So our price targets, if we were to enter, it would be 21,491. It'll be 21,448. It'll also be 21,436, and the final one being 21,424.75. But so yeah, you guys can see we're getting the selling that we want to get. So right now we're getting the sweep, which is good, really good, right? So all we need to do now is simply just inverse this fair value gap, and we're good for an entry, pretty much. And I really hope you get it, because I need to end it today early because I have some stuff to do going into the PM session, so I probably won't be as active then. Alright, guys. So yeah, let's see what we can cook up here. Let's see what we can cook up. Right, all we need to do now that we're holding below this level, which is amazing, all we need to do, like I said, guys, is we just need to inverse this with a lot of volume. Once we get the momentum to the downside, which we're already getting, we should be good to go. Alright, guys. And yeah, ES is selling off beautifully. So what we're gonna do, if we do end up entering short here, guys, which we're about to, we're just going to target this London low on ES as a first price target. Alright, guys? That's what we're looking for. So, in my opinion, I would say, yeah, price has a pretty good reach to the downside. It has a lot more room to go lower, especially thanks to ES, with it having a bearish SMT, and we have not taken our liquidity to the downside. We have about, 5 more points to go down, which is a lot. Right? 5, 6 points? Yeah, 6 points pretty much. Right? So, all we need to do here, guys, is, like I said, inverse this fair value gap. That's all we need. Then we should be good for some shorts. Alright? So yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna drink some water. Hopefully price doesn't slow down around this range. But yeah, guys. Let's see what we have to work with here. Remember, guys, our first price target is just until ES hits this London low. Since ES has the bearish SMT, we're gonna be using this as a leading point pretty much. Alright, so let's see. Right now, it seems like sellers are struggling a little bit. They're trying to inverse it. So yeah, let's see. need more sellers to step in here. Because what's happening right now is that they're struggling to inverse this, which is not a good sign. We need them to break below this. We need more momentum. Remember, the momentum in the inside of the fair value gap doesn't matter. It's what happens after we inverse it. We need a positive reaction. Just like that. Alright, guys. I'm into shorts. I'm in shorts, guys. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts, guys. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. Alright, guys. I'm in shorts. Oh, I mistyped the alert. Oh, shit. Hold up. Let me retype it. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. Bet. Okay, so we're good now. We're good. So yeah, let's see. What fill did you guys end up getting? I'm assuming you guys, obviously, you guys got a fill around 530 or 5. I would say like what, like 535 around there. Let me know what you guys got. But so far, let's see if we can hold this selling. Remember, ES in my eyes still has room for lower. It has about 5 more points, so I do want to hold these. Definitely for lower. All right. But yeah, what are you guys doing? 533. Okay, yeah. Then we're chilling. Damn, I saw someone get 543. Nice. All right, perfect. So yeah, let's see if we can get some more selling to step in here, guys. Oh my, yo, there's 500 of you guys in here. What the fuck? Yo, you guys are crazy. What the hell? Hold on, let me take a picture of this. Hold up. Hopefully we don't sell off. Well, hopefully we do, but 500. Damn. Okay. All right. But yeah, let's focus more on the trade now. That doesn't matter. Okay. Now, like I said, we should expect some more selling very soon. Because like I said, ES wants lower. It wants lower until 657. So that should lead NQ a lot lower down. If we do get one more pop to the downside, I'm going to take some trims. So yeah, let's see. So far, we're chilling. How many points are we up? 20. Around 25. Okay, not bad. Come on, let's get one more pop here. ES wants it. It hasn't even taken out the main low right here. I'll probably be careful with this level as well, just in case. It's 1 point away, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I want to get one pop here before I get a trim off. If you guys want to trim, I mean, you guys could. We're up 20 points. It's not too bad. Not too bad. But yeah, let's see. We need to hold this level down. ES needs to dump here. Since ES is the leading one, we're focused all over ES here. That's the main focus today, or right now at least. But if you guys want to trim around 20 points, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But come on, we need one more selling candle here. Let's see it. Let's see it. Come on, we're about to get it. We're right there. Okay, there it is. That's good enough for me. Guys, I'm going to take some trims off here, alright, guys? You guys should as well. Take some profits. Take some profits. We're sitting nice here. We're sitting nice here. It's not the pop I wanted to see, but it's something. Alright, so it's 25 points. We'll take it. We'll take it. We can't be greedy. Alright, guys? So yeah, I trimmed some off at 25 points. I hope you guys did as well. Now we should hold for lower because ES still hasn't sold off. So NQ wants lower, but all that matters is ES here. But yeah, not too bad so far. Let me copy and paste this alert. What is ES doing? Still holding up, so alright. As long as NQ holds down, all we need is ES to just sell off a little bit and we should be good. But yeah, hopefully you guys got some trims there. We should expect lower very soon. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it here. Just past 4 evals? Bro, nice, bro. Nice. Come on, let's get the sell-off. Okay, we're getting something here, which is beautiful. We're at 510 right now, but ES is not reacting, so that's a good sign. The S&P is flipping here, meaning that NQ is leading more sellers, which is good. Meaning if ES sells off, NQ will just sell off a lot harder. All right, guys. But come on, let's see this. I might want to take some more trims around 505, maybe the 500 range, depending on the sell-off that we get, if we do get it. So yeah, just pass 2 evals off the straight. Nice. Good shit, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it 10 yet? Oh, we're about to get the silver bullet, I think it's called. So we're about to get a spike in volume, which is good. But we just need ES to sell off a little bit. Come on now, guys. Once if ES sells off, we should be super chilling. We should be super chilling. But come on, let's see it. Did you size full? Yeah, I did. And setup look normal. But yeah, right now ES is struggling a little bit, which is not. I hope it's not too much of a big deal here. But we're about to find out. We're about to find out. Do you trim more? No, I took a good chunk at 25 points, but I'm still holding. Was this an plus? Yeah, it was. Yeah, we got the inverse, we got the rejection, we got the MSS, we got everything. We got everything. We just need ES to sell off a little bit. You know what I mean? Let me see another eval passed. Nice, bro. Nice. No, wait. I said my bad. I meant DOL sweep. My bad. Not MSS. Do you know why it's not letting me trim? It says order rejection, but I'm in a trade. I don't know. Is there a reason behind the rejection? On what it's telling you? When it says rejected. Now I'm really hoping this is just some sort of a pullback. But we're about to find out. We're about to find out. This could be a pullback like yesterday. Right pumping? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We didn't get any sort of sweep, so hopefully it's just a pullback, like I said. We're just stopping us, bro. You keep asking the same question, bro. It's on the screen, bro. It's right here. 25 points. It's set at 567. Hopefully we don't get stopped out on this one, because then I'm not gonna be too green. But we'll see. Right now, I want to say it's a pullback just because we don't have a reason to reverse just yet. We haven't taken out any level of liquidity. But we're about to find out. We are about to find out. I'm going to delete this level because it's not too important anymore. But yeah. I had the same problem. It didn't let me trim on one of my accounts. That's weird. That's weird. Maybe they're going through an issue. I haven't had any issues. So. You still in? Yeah, I am. Yeah. Like I said, I wanna say this is a pullback, just a small pullback, but I don't know how promising that looks because buyers are stepping in really strong here without any signs of a reversal. So I don't know what that's about, but we're about to find out. We're about to find out. This is getting pretty close to a stop loss. I have mine set at 567, so if that gets stopped out, then oh well. I'll just look for another trade. I'll be a little bit green, not super green, but we're about to find out. We're about to find out. But that's weird how we just reversed off that. Off nothing. But let's see. Yeah, buyers are stepping in pretty strong here. I mean, as long as I don't get stopped, that we're good. But it seems like buyers are too strong. Yeah, ES is picking up way too much. Wait, well, it's trying to hold down now, but we're about to get stopped. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out of the other contracts. That's weird. I'm not sure why we reversed there. Those runners were looking pretty good, but yeah, I'm out, guys. I'm out. Could we re-enter off this fair value gap? Let me see. Hold on. Just give me a second. Let me try to see what we did there, cause I'm not sure why we reversed out of nowhere. But yeah, guys, I'm out. Minus 50 on the trade. We reversed because I entered, bro. But that's weird. That's really weird. I'm not sure why we reversed there. I want to say it's a pullback just because we don't have a reason to reject. But if anything, let me try to find another entry just in case. Just in case. Let me see. 192 on the train. Move stop us to break. Okay, cool. I didn't want to move it to break even just yet. It was too early. Well, we saw like what, like 30 points there. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. I entered at 39. Yeah, pretty much 30 points. Yeah, 27. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to get one more entry for you guys. Just cause I like how the trade went with the run. Well, I mean with the main contracts, but I don't know. We can definitely get more here. We could definitely get more. I just don't know why we reverse out of nowhere. We didn't take out anything, and sellers were looking really good. I guess it's just price maybe like getting a little bit weird, but I'm gonna give the market some more time to kind of develop more of a bias, and then we go based off that. All right, guys. So just stay here for a minute, and I got you guys. We haven't broken out of the 5 minute ES for rally up. No, we rejected off of it, which is why I took shorts. I tried to hold a runner and it hurt the profit. Ah, bro, but like how hard did you hold it? Yeah, bro, I saw, bro. 500 of you guys in here. That's fucking crazy, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, it seems like buyers are stepping in. I don't want to do anything off this current for rally cup that we have, just because we have not taken out liquidity. There's no reading for us to reverse. I don't even know why we're going up right now. But who knows? It might be a retracement into this fair value gap. I wouldn't say we should inverse this just because we don't have a reading. Um, 37 points. It's not good enough in my eyes. I don't know. I might want to wait for one more buys to kind of form to see what we can do. But let's see. That's weird though. That's really weird. I'm a little bit disappointed with this trade. Although it looked really good, you know. How you guys down so much? You couldn't try. What error is it giving you guys? Yeah, if you guys don't sell when I sell, then I don't know what to tell you guys. Just like mix, I'm seeing a lot of green. I'm seeing some red. Let me see YouTube. Alpha 125. Got in at 560 off the 1 minute inverse. Almost passed my eval. Alpha 540. I'm done for the day. All right, so YouTube is doing good. All right, so at least you guys understood the thing. No one agree, bro. A lot of people are down because it wanted to add 5 more instead of trimming. Ah, okay. But yeah, I'm gonna see what I can catch for you guys. I'm gonna see if I can catch something else. Cause this trade could have gone a little bit better. Like I said, I don't know why we reversed. I'm not sure why. We didn't take out any major levels, at least from what I know. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. Can you tell us your entry price when you're in? I could try. I typically forget, but yeah. Let me see. So now that we're back inside of the main fair value gap, let me see if there's something off the 15 minute that we can work with. No, there isn't. I don't know. It seems like we kind of want to inverse this. It's not that I'm gonna trade off of it or anything. Um, it wouldn't be a bad idea actually. It wouldn't be a horrible idea. The thing is, I just don't feel like I want to take it, just because we haven't taken on liquidity. I like I said, I don't know why we're reversing. I don't know how long this is gonna hold up for. But yeah, I have some accounts that did not get filled while they were copy trading. Yeah, a lot of people are having errors with the copy trading today. It seems like. Yeah, but I think the problem might be that some people don't know how much we should trim. How much you usually trim? Well, I usually do around half. On my first one. I like to take like heavy chunks of profits when we get a good sell off. That's would you say I did? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. You kind of had the opportunity was there to sell. Or at least sell some. My bad. That's what I meant. Longs and target the next high. I would do that. Don't get me wrong. It's just the thing is, I don't want to I don't want to take this inverse because we don't have the confirmations behind it. It could just lead the same way it did here. An inverse off this wouldn't be bad. That's what it trust me, it does not look bad. But I don't know if I want to take it. It really does not look bad. Don't get me wrong. It's like a quick 50-point scalp that you can catch here. It's just you're running a big risk because you don't have anything behind it to really. Yeah, you're looking at what, like 53 points. It's not bad because buyers are stepping in really nice. I don't know. I re- It's a 1 to 2 risk reward as well, which is not bad at all. Buyers are stepping in nice too. It's a big risk. I don't know if you guys want to take longs here. I mean, we're pumping up pretty nice. I just don't want to force a trade out just, But it's like I would really take this trade. Don't get me wrong. It's just the lack of confirmation that there is behind this is just not making me just not like it enough. That's the only reason I'm not taking this trade. If anything, if we have to wait for us to take out 648 for us to get a setup, we can wait for that. It's not a big deal. It won't take too long. But but yeah, I really don't want to take these longs at all. I'm not going to. It's not that I don't, I'm just not going to. Don't take it. No, I'm not going to. Trust me. There's not enough confirmation behind this. Now, if you would have gotten a sweep, maybe off of this low right here, I would have considered it, right? But just the fact that we haven't taken out anything, we just reversed out of thin air, just does not make me comfortable taking this. Now, if you guys want to run the risk, be my guest. Well, wouldn't the confirmation be that Tesla and Microsoft? No, that doesn't mean anything. Are you showing shorts? No, bro. I got I got stuff on the rest, bro. Okay. Do you think this is possible? Why? Important to keep in mind that your trim has been multiple. Well, I'm not sure. If you're talking about the glitch that's going on or some error, I don't know about it. I haven't gotten it, so I wouldn't know. Can I take a trader from TradingView in the prop from challenge? You could, but I wouldn't suggest it. It's not the best. Yeah, it seems like a lot of you guys got some error where you couldn't sell for a second. If Apex takes note of that, they can reverse the trade, but I probably doubt it. Bro, what? Bro, what are you doing, bro? If he has swept London, no, we never swept London. That's the thing. We never did. Look, London is down here. That's why I was telling you guys, like, hey, shorts looks good. We should continue to go lower. So yeah. But yeah, it seems like I don't know. Like we're more than likely gonna go up here because of the inverse. But I just I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna watch it. I'm just gonna watch it. Why is Pablo speaking? He's not speaking. Yeah, so that was out. I've been getting it. I can enter my contract. John. Yeah, that's weird. That's really weird. Let me see. Maybe ES wants to hit London highs than MSS. Um, I mean, but like, if we're gonna reverse like this, we might as well, we should have already taken it out. You get what I'm saying? Because we had a lot of buyers come in to the point where we got stopped out. So yeah, we're gonna find out. Like I said, I'm giving the market some time. I'm still, trying to see what it's trying to do. But we're in a spot right now where it's kind of a little bit hard to read. So I want to give the market time before I take anything. But let's see. Damn, man, that setup looks so promising as well. It's just ES messed us up with this random pump candle. What's with this 5 minute fair value gap? Um, it's okay. It's all right. It's whatever. If we have to take off, if we have to take something from it, we could. It's not a big deal. It's 37 points. We could use it. Um, Who do I reach out to about the glitch? Apex or Trader? Apex, because Apex will just revert their account if they see that enough people did it. They'll revert it. They've done it before. Now the thing is, I don't know how much of a big deal this is. If it caused major problems, then yeah, they'll just reverse the trade without a question. But you know how Apex is. Tops up as well. You know, it's a whole thing. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But yeah. Fuck is this PA? It's something, bro. It's questionable a little bit. Where error did everyone get? Apparently, a lot of people are getting an error where they couldn't sell or trim at least. It was giving them some liquidation error. So I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Now, if they don't reverse it by today, then we'll see. They should. They should. How would the reverse work? They just delete any loss that you took. So if you're down 200 and you open up Apex, you'll be down 0. So yeah. Now I don't want to blame the trader on a glitch, obviously. Um, but if that's what ended up happening and they reverse it, then oh well, that's a free trade for us. You know, they keep the wins in. Yeah, they won't delete the wins. They only delete the losses. But if you guys went through that, then yeah. David, I made 450 yesterday on Tops of X, but on my tops of. Oh, that's. I mean, that's good. I wouldn't complain about that, bro. I need $6 to pass, bro. But yeah, guys, the next thing, what I'm gonna say now is hopefully we get some more buyers to step in right now. Obviously off this inverse, but we don't have any room to work with anything until we see 648. So, bro, 0. So what I would say is I would want to see a lot more buyers step in. Hopefully we create some sort of fair value gap on the way up. We sweep 648 and then we can have another chance at shorts to see how that goes. Now I don't know how it's gonna go. You know, I don't know if we're gonna see it. I don't know if we're gonna get a gap on the way up. We don't know. We don't know. So we gotta see. But I would say yeah, we don't really have anything stopping us on the way up. That's what I told you guys. If you guys want to take the risk or want to take a big risk and take longs off this inverse, you could, but just know what you're doing. You know what I mean? But yeah, like I said, I want to see a pump up straight into 648. We see a sweep off this level, and we should be able to catch something else. And I don't think we shoot into all-time highs today, but we'll find out. We'll find out. We'll find out. Now, I don't want to see prices slowing down, but it's slowing down a little bit. Maybe it's just like I don't know, chopping up a little bit, just consolidating. Who knows? But yeah, I don't want to get off until we see a sweep from 648. That's the next level that we're looking for. If you want a big play, I would say it will be off this level right here. Yeah, if you want green off the trade, they're not gonna delete it. You'll be fine. You're green, bro. So you're doing all this for your green? What, bro? 100-point trade, please. I got you guys. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. But yeah, hopefully prices can start slowing down here, bro. EV. The 90% off still valid? No, no. I think they should release a discount today. From what I think, they should release it sometime today. Hopefully. because they haven't put anything out in a long time. So we're gonna find out. Nice trade earlier. Now, yeah, no, the trade was good. I'm not mad about it at all. Although I didn't really make anything, it's whatever. I'm still super green from yesterday, so you know. The thing is, it's weird because everything confirmed there. We had an SMT and everything, with the rejection, but I guess the market just wanted to reverse, kind of out of nowhere. I mean, look at this. We reversed here when we should have sold off. I was expecting that, but I guess not. Are we looking for longs? No, not right now. We're waiting for this level to get taken out. Christian, we're looking for 648. So we don't know how long that will take because the volume is kind of slowing down a little bit. But yeah, I'm up $50 from the trade. Yeah, no, I wouldn't expect you guys to be too green out of it. You know, if you're green, you know. ES took the high. Did it? Oh yeah, it just did. Okay, okay, okay. Um, but I don't know. Like, I get that ES took the high. I kind of just want to see how NQ reacts once it takes out the high up here. Now, obviously, buyers are getting really weak, so if ES reverses off this, NQ is gonna sell off. But you know, we can only hope. Because the reason I'm saying I want to see 648 first is because we're in a spot right here where even if we do reject, I don't know what to trade from it because there's nothing. If you guys zoom out, obviously you guys will see what I mean. There's nothing here until up here. So I would hope we see some buyers to step in, just 50 points, which is not too much. And then we just take out that high, and then we should be good. Can I take a quick? Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Anyone use DayTrader here? I got this weird ass glitch where my sell market order didn't register and the chart was frozen. Yeah, apparently a lot of people did get it. So fingers crossed, Apex catches onto it and reverses it. But if not, then oh well. I got you, Ali. Yeah. David, what time are you gonna call it? I don't know. Maybe like 11, 11:30, around there. The usual, the usual. But I do want to give you guys one more trade because although this one looked good, it was a little bit disappointing. And obviously, I don't want to just leave you guys off with this one. So I'm gonna try to cook something up. If not, then oh well. But we'll see. We'll see. How many views today? Bro, we had like 500 and then 100 on YouTube. But we're growing, bro. um, Let me see. Thanks, brother. I got out at the bottom on my first PA and passed some evals. Been slow, bro. A lot of you guys have been passing a lot lately. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. No, I don't know how this trade was the one, but yeah, very disappointing. So random. Yeah, bro. What can you do about it? No matter how good the setups look, sometimes the market just won't respect it. What can you do about it? You know, but you can only learn from it. Now, obviously, there's not much to learn here, but you know, not like the thing is, not even ES reversed off this New York low, which is surprising. I was expecting for us to at least take out this low right here, but we couldn't even do that. So yeah, I mean, not much to really say about this trade. Even on NQ, we didn't even take out this low, at least this low. It just wanted to reverse because it wanted to. Okay, let me see. If I'm in short 20 contracts on 5 accounts and I trim by clicking buy market 10 contracts, yeah, it will just trim half of your contracts on each account. If we don't spread awareness of the misfills, wouldn't it be a common thing? Um, yeah, you're right. Trim for me? Yeah, no, I know it's that trim added or okay, then you just did the wrong thing, bro. You bought more instead of sold. You just clicked the wrong button. But yeah, we are selling off right now. It seems like so. Yeah, I would say yeah. ES is rejecting off this London high. Um. So yeah, let's see what we can do off this. Cause what we could do if we form a fair value gap on the let me delete this. If we form a fair value gap on the way a bearish one, we could use that one as a continuation. Like I said, I still want to be bearish until this slow down here. But it's just we don't have too much to work with at least yet. So hopefully we get something. It's only a 25-point sell-off, which is nothing crazy. So yeah, we'll see. We have Ferrari Gap at 10 a.m. It's whatever. It's whatever. It's not. We can form better. David, how many micros do you usually trade per account? It's 7 to 10 usually. 7 if I do light, 10 if I do full. But yeah. In shorts, trim is the buy button. Yes, you just put less contracts. Can we only trade 5 contracts on the new PA account? I don't think so. No, that's only for top sub. Let me see. Blasters, I'm in RP Lifetime and your YouTube videos, but where's your Discord for lives? It's this one right here, bro. There you go. My trade rate says, warning, your community clock is. Oh, that's. I don't know how to fix that. I think if you just put OK, you'll be fine. David, would you take this inverse off the 10 a.m. candle? I don't know. I probably wouldn't. I'm sure. I'm sure we could form better. That's why. Obviously, I don't want to force anything out. So, you know. Hello, I'm new here. Started seeing your lives not too long ago. I was just wondering, you have two charts open, but are they the same? No, this is NQ and this is ES. They're technically the same, but you know you could use them as indicators. For an SMT. That's about it. But yeah. Limitless, I think it's like 2,000. I don't know. No, it's like 1,000. Yeah, some shit like that. I don't know. Incoming chop. I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. Like I said, I want to give the market some time to form something. I still want to be bearish. Um, but yeah. I really want to take out that high though. It would have been a lot better. You're in shorts. Oh, all right. Like I said, guys, the best thing that could possibly happen is we take out this high. It's the best way we can get a read in the market. But like I said, if we want to sell off and form something on the way down, we could. We could still use it. It just won't be as good as it were, you know, if we took out that high up there. But this price actually gonna be mad, bro. We gotta put up with it, bro. Okay, so we're approaching this 5 minute free rally. Although it's not the best one, like I said, I'm probably not gonna use it. It's good to keep an eye out for it, just in case. It's about 37 points. I'm not gonna take any inverse off of it or anything, because I know we could form better. But it's good to see how we react off it. You think we pushed up just to feel the imbalance? No, no. Well, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. In my eyes, we reversed off nothing. When we were in shorts, to the point where we reversed and everything from the green to red, I don't see why we did that. I mean, okay, look, we entered like what, like right here. We got trims down here. It just we didn't even take out any low, which is why I'm confused. But like always, you know, you guys gotta understand. No matter how good your setup looks, sometimes the market just won't want to play it. So, I guess that's what happened today. Maybe CPI chop. Oh, that's right. It's CPI tomorrow. Okay. I mean, we'll find out. We'll find out. Regardless of what happens, if we have CPI tomorrow, tomorrow should be really nice. I hope. Can we do a continuation to the downside if we form a Ferrari Cup? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I said it. Rins. Or, I can't remember pronounce your name. I said it. And then with the alert, I just have the stop loss posted. I'm gonna go in 20 countries with my account that's gonna rebuild. Good luck with that, bro. If anything, just wait for CPI tomorrow. It'll be a lot better. Respecting the 30-minute fair value gap, if it inverses the 5-minute, it could go down. The 30-minute. No, we don't have a 30-minute. If you're talking about this one, it's not a gap because, well, it was, but it's a very small one. And other than that, then there's really nothing else. On the 15-minute, yep, we filled this one. Nothing crazy. Yeah, it's kind of whatever. No, like I said, the market's in a spot right now where it's a little bit hard to read, so we gotta wait a little bit. I don't want to say it's bad because it's really not a bad market. It's moving pretty decently, but yeah. Is tomorrow gonna be tradable? It should be. Yeah, we have CPI, so the market should be very nice. Keyword should. Yeah, I don't know if it will be or not, but it should. It should. All right, let's see. Make tours bootcamp videos for education. Yeah, in the future. Yeah. On my eval, it shows what? Yeah. If it says TR drawdown, then that's the number that you should be looking for. The markets use those as liquidity. Well, I mean, to be fair, we were green 30 points. It's just we just couldn't make enough of it. It just reversed because it just wanted to. Do you not mark Asia lows? I do. Yeah. We don't have Asia lows though. We only have London to work with today. Remember, Asia lows, it got taken out during London. So, yeah. All right. So it seems like we want to inverse this. Like I said, I'm not gonna take it. It's not good enough in my opinion. But yeah. I would say the whole reason we're selling off is because ES took out this London high. But it's still not looking good enough in my eyes for a setup. Remember, I want to give you guys the best possible thing that will give us the best outcome, but we gotta wait. David, when you trim, a lot, not a lot. Some people have asked me to do that. The thing is I sometimes, or not sometimes, all the time, I'm so focused on the trade that I just, you get what I'm saying? I get too focused on the trade. How do I get? It should be in the settings, in the subscription settings. What's a good entry point? Well, obviously off the inverse. If you want to take it, I wouldn't. Well, I'm not going to. I don't know about you, but I don't know. I don't like the reading just enough in the market. If anything, we can wait for this to get taken out and then we play a reversal. But we're just in a spot where I just don't like the market right now. Are we entering? No, I'm not. At least I don't know about you. But what was I saying? Oh yeah. I get too focused on the trade to the point where I don't worry about giving you guys contracts or anything because I'm too focused. So yeah. Like I said, you guys can ask me to do it, and I can say yeah, but when it comes time to do it, I might forget. Because you guys know, I'm sure when you guys enter the trade, you guys are dead focused on that on the chart. So I am as well. Especially with so many people watching me, I can't really mess up. So I'd rather just not say it. But yeah, I would say right now, yeah, I mean, look at this market. We're kind of in a spot. Let me see. Hey, bro, can you please explain the first trade again? I want to understand your strat and not just take your live signals. Thank you. Oh, of course. Okay. So let me review. Let me review that real quick while we wait for something to form right here. Right, guys. So real quick, I'm gonna summarize it. It's gonna be a quick review. All right. So first things first. 5-minute time frame. 5-minute fair value gap. We formed it yesterday. Remember when we entered the trade, guys? We formed this 5-minute fair value gap on the way down. This is where we entered from. All right. Now, what ended up happening is, guys, today off open, price wanted to just shoot up into this high up here, right, into the fair value gap, right. On the way up, we took out liquidity, which is this liquidity right here, right. You guys see the market found this high, sold off, pulled back, found this high, sold off even more, making a new level of liquidity at 549, right. So what ended up happening, guys, is right off open, buyers stepped in very strong, right? We formed a perfect fair value gap right here, a 40-point on the dot fair value gap. You guys can see right here, 40 points. And we were also rejecting off a bearish fair value gap from yesterday. right? So what's happening here is we're getting sellers to step in. We want to look for a liquidity sweep off of 549, and at the same time we also have a fair value gap right here that we formed on the way up, right? So what are we looking for? Well, you guys know we use ES to our advantage to see what's happening, so we can get a bigger picture of what's going on in the market, right? So if you look over at ES also had formed a bearish fair value gap right from market open, right? So what I told you guys is, okay, right now, ES is rejecting off this bearish fair value gap, which is leading NQ to go down. NQ is also rejecting off this 5-minute fair value gap from yesterday, leading it to go even more down. And we're also looking to sweep liquidity right here. So what are we looking for? Well, what we're looking for is going to be a simple liquidity sweep from this rejection plus an inverse off this to target liquidity below, which is going to be at 491 and the London low at 448. Right? So we took shorts and I'm like, okay, well, it's looking pretty good. Everything's looking good. We should go lower. Why did I say we should go lower? Well, you guys know we use liquidity to our advantage. You guys know the whole reason the market pumps or the whole reason the market dumps is to take out liquidity and reverse based off that, right? So, why did I say that I wanted to go lower, or how I knew we were going to go lower? Well, we never took out liquidity. We never took out this one, which is a mini one. We never took out this one, nor this one below. And yes, on the other hand, since ES had the what's it called, the SMT, ES should have been the one that dumped even harder because ES was the bearish one to begin with, right? So with us never taking out the ES low down here, nor down here, nor the NQ low down here, nor down here, I'm like, okay, well, the market is selling off. We have all of our confirmations. We have everything lined up in the market for us to go down. We should be good. We saw 30 points on the trade. I took profits, or some profits. Everything was looking good, but we reversed out of nowhere. Because if you pay attention, the next candle sold off, but it pumped right back up out of nowhere. I'm like, okay, well, maybe it's a pullback. Who knows, right? No, we ended up getting stopped out, and then this ended up pumping up, which is confusing because we don't have a reason on why we did that. You get what I'm saying? We don't have a reason on why we reverse. Now, you gotta understand, there's times where the market just doesn't want to respect anything. And it seems like that's what happened today. Because you guys know, I will always own up to my losses, right? Although I didn't really lose off this trade, I kind of went pretty much break even. I'm still kind of disappointed with this trade just because, it just didn't play out how we expected it to. And how it should have. Just because we reversed out of nowhere. Now, like I said, I would own up to it, but there's really nothing to own up to. The market kind of reversed out of nowhere, you know. So yeah, makes sense. Perfect. That's what I like to hear, bro. That's what I like to hear. But yeah, it's a simple trade. Just a fair value projection with some SMT. And an inverse after a sweep. Like I said, it played out 30 points. It just didn't want to hold up those points, so we ended up getting stopped out on our final contracts. So yeah, are we going lower? Let me check it out. Now that I finished this review. It looks a little questionable. I'm gonna tell you that. It looks a little bit questionable. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. You'll take the setup 10 out of 10 times. It looked great. Yeah, no, bro. I'll take the setup any day of the week. Bro. We took the setup yesterday, and it played out for 120 points. So I'm not too mad about it. I lost $29 it, but you'll live, bro. You'll live. Yo, David, what are we looking for the next setup? I have to leave the live soon. Okay, so X, right now we're in a spot where we don't have anything to read until we take out either levels of liquidity. So it's either this level up here or this level down here. We're kind of in a spot right now where it's like a big sandwich, right? We don't have any liquidity nearby, so obviously we can't read any sweeps anywhere. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's either we dump down, we take out liquidity, and we show signs of a reversal that we can then take, or we push up, we take out this liquidity, and then we show signs of a reversal, which we can then take again. MC, taking the L today. Gotta go. I hope another setup comes up. Yeah, bro. If anything, bro, we have CPI tomorrow, so it won't be a big deal. Tomorrow, if today wasn't good enough, tomorrow will be a lot better. All right. And if anything, bro, we got 120 points yesterday, so we're good, bro. We made our money. All right. That's why I'm not mad about it. Up 50, should I call it a day? Right now, bro, the market's looking a little bit questionable, so for now, I would say yeah. Let me see. I'm having technical problems with on Top Step where I earn money on the trade I didn't take. Has it ever happened to me? No, I have never made money from something I never took. So I wouldn't complain about it, but you know, yeah. Sounds like a good, yeah. That's what I'm saying. It sounds like a good problem. But you, let me see. I trimmed over half my position on the first trade. I don't know how I'm down $200. Well, it also depends on where you had your stop loss and where you entered from. Keep that in mind. Obviously, if you had, same as you had the same stop loss and the same entry. What was my entry? Like 539, right? Yeah, 539. Let me see. Tops will screw me over with the fill. Did you do market? Let me see. Hold on. Let me catch up with the chat. Happened to me once. I woke up to my live account was up $1,000 on gold, and I never traded gold. Bro, that's a good problem. That's a good problem. I'm around break even as well because I took the same trims. Yeah, I'm around break even. Some people went green, some people went break even, and some people went red. Unfortunately, so that's why I'm trying to get you guys something. But obviously, if the market doesn't want to work with us, then we're gonna have to wait. Let me see. I trimmed 80% at 25 points. And brought my stop loss on the last contract to break even. Oh, then bro, you're more than good. Then you're more than good. Bro, in that trade, all my accounts didn't copy sheet over. It was all a mess. Yeah, bro. I think TradeAway is having a little bit of some errors. But guys, what's it called? If a lot of people had the error where they couldn't sell in a set amount of time, I would say Apex would reverse the L. If you guys went red off that trade, they would just reverse it. How do we contact Apex? Just shoot up Apex support. I don't know if they're gonna do anything about it. I don't know if it was a big issue, but if it was, then they'll reverse it. Well, TopStep 2, yeah, bro. TopStep has been having so many issues lately. I'm in their Discord, and every day it's like a whole new issue. If you guys use TopStep X, you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah. So I figured, are you guys green or red? 10 or green, 10 or red. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of like a 50-50. Some people took trims, some people wanted to hold, you know? Can I just keep my money in my account or do I have to? No, I would take it a payout. That's the whole point. Okay, David, why are you considering 648? Yeah, 648 as the next liquidity point and not 631, which is on the 1 hour candle. All right, let's find out. Right, so if you're talking about 631, maybe it's a level I haven't seen. Yeah, no, because 631 is not a rejection point. Look, the nearest rejection point that we have is this one. The highest point we went to is up here. Remember, when you're looking for liquidity, you're marking out the highest and the lowest points of each rejection or bounce. So in this point, or yeah, in this example, we have a rejection at all-time highs, obviously, at 706. The market found this top, sold off, found this bottom, pushed up. You mark out the highest point from the pullback, which is at 648, and then the market sold off again. So you're going to be marking out this level up here. All right? Hopefully that makes sense to you. But yeah, let me see. Let's see. Yesterday I was on the PM session and TopStep X got a bro. What's it called? If you guys are on TopStep X, you guys know that they've been having a lot. It's like every single day I get a notification saying that they reversed their losses. Every single day. I tried to buy 7 micros, but it says filled 10 cons. That's weird. Today's a weird day. So most likely no trades. No, I'm not saying that. We're waiting on it. If not, I wouldn't be on. Trust me. What's the process of passing evals? You just hit the profit target and they'll email you, and that's it. But yeah. I know you asked this a lot, but can you go over SMT real quick? Yeah, it's really easy. It's as simple as this can be. David, what are you waiting for? I'm waiting for a setup, bro. For the SMT, it's as simple as just comparing the only two. It's NQ and ES, pretty much. So, for example, if NQ is doing this and ES is doing this, ES has a bearish SMT and NQ has a bullish SMT. Pretty much, it's that simple, right? And usually, your job to get an indicator or an indication on how you can trade this to your advantage is you simply look for which one has more strength, which one is leading more, right? And then you just use that one to find levels and to pretty much get of an outlook on what's gonna happen with the other one once it starts catching up. So obviously, for example, if ES is selling off very hard, right, and NQ is pushing up very slowly, obviously there's not enough buyers because it's going up very slowly, and there's a lot of sellers on ES because it's going down a lot, right? So what your job is here is to look for a point where NQ would reject from. Once NQ starts rejecting, the whole idea there is to start looking for shorts early because you already know what's gonna happen because ES is already dumping. So that's what I pretty much look for, and then you could just use drawn liquidity to your advantage to pretty much you know get an early entry from there, right? So that's how sometimes we're able to catch the complete top and the complete bottom by using both ES and NQ to our advantage. Now it's not something that you need to know because it's not really gonna help you too much, but it's definitely good to know. David, I'm done. Bro, you're down a lot, bro. Am I 150k funded? Am I cooked? Should I still trade 50 contracts on the next trade? How much volume do you have? 3k left? Oh yeah, you're good. You can do 15. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. What's up, man? I hope you're doing well. Would you please tell me in the 25k account how much should my profit go to get a $1,000 payout? Try to do 27,000. 27,000, you should be good. And then for the 30%, I think you can't make any more than $450 a day. Did you answer, bro? Look at the charts, bro. Thanks. I got you, bro. I got you. But yeah, if anything, guys, I would say if we don't end up getting anything today, because obviously the market is kind of slowing down right now, I would say not to worry. First of all, yesterday was really good, so that's still in profit. But tomorrow we have CPI, which pretty much not always moves the market, but it gives the market the volume that we like right off open to get a really big play. So who knows? Maybe tomorrow we get another 100-point trade. Who knows? Who knows? David, do you think we're cooked for the day? For the PM session, yes. We're not gonna touch PM because obviously we have CPI tomorrow, and you guys know how that goes. But for now, it seems like it's slowing down. I do want to get one more trade, but obviously I won't force anything if there's nothing. I'm just really disappointed with the trades today. Don't get me wrong, it was green. It was a 30-point trade, but man, it's like we could have. It should have made more, a lot more, at least 40 points. I would have been happy with that one. Might be a dumb question, but I'm so confused on how Apex will pay me out if I make the profit goal. The website doesn't explain it well. It's simple. You just give them your routing number and they send you the money straight away. They just wire you the money. Yesterday I made 800. Am I good? Yeah, bro. You're fine. You're fine. If you get to the goal in 8 days, could we just request a payout? Yeah. Yeah, that's the point. You could do 8 days. It could take you as long as you want, but yeah. How many MNQ contracts to do each trade? It depends on your account. I made 800 yesterday, but I lost it today in 2 trades. Damn, bro. What'd you end up taking? That you lost so much. What the fuck? Is it faster than 8 days? Is that bad? No. You need a minimum of 8 days. You have a 25k account. I would say do about 5 contracts, 5 micros. 5 micros should be good enough. I took the other inverse that wicked up. Oh, okay, okay. Well, how much did you risk? Cause damn, bro, you lost. If you lost what you made yesterday off such a good trade, then you took some heavy losses, I would say. Do you have a video working with buy and sell? No, I don't do the latter. I just press the buttons. I just press the buttons. It's a lot easier for me like that. Let me see. Feeling FOMO because I still catching on my account, but feeling very excited about everything I've learned. Bro, that's insane. Bro, thank you, bro. Or not thank you. If anything, you just let me know. Can you explain a toss of payouts for me if you can? Yeah, you get a payout every 5 days, but you can only request 50%. How much of a trading cushion do you recommend leaving for a 50k account? I would say do about like 1.5k is really good. I would say like a thousand is alright, but 1.5k is I would say it's just perfect. And obviously the more the better. You know what I mean? It's one of those situations. If I'm making 640 with two trades per week, I'm okay to or no, you're fine. You're fine. When we have our eval passed, and we have a PA account in the 50k account, when can we get a payout? And do they take fees? Um, so the only fees that you're paying is the commission fees, I think, or something like that. The fees that you take for taking the trades. And then other than that, you can just it's all your money. So yeah, there's no fees. To request 2k from the 50k account, does the balance have to be approved? Yeah, obviously. That goes to any prop firm. Are we looking for anything now? Right now, we're pretty close to this level. I mean, I want to take this low out first to see what we can get, but right now we can't really look for anything. We kind of have to wait. We kind of have to wait for something to form. So we're just waiting on that right now. How much is Top Step eval and PA? The 50k account, it's $50 for an eval and it's 150 for a PA. So it's the same as Top Step. Or I mean Apex. But like I said, guys, I really want to see us sell off into this 491 range, so we can get a good reading in the market. That's all we need. Oh, I was about to say, guys, ES is selling off. It's because I had a replay on. I was about to say. Oh yeah, no, ES is chopping up pretty ugly. No, Moody. If you pass it today, you're gonna get an email later today saying like, hey, congratulations. Here's how you pay the activation fee. It looks like NQ1. Yeah, it is. It is. Yep. Like I said, I want to see this level first. I don't care what we do. As long as we take out this level, we should be good for one more trade. Now, I don't want to trade anything going into the PM session because obviously you guys know we have CPI tomorrow. And what tends to happen is the day before CPI comes out, the market gets very slow as we go into market close. So, how much is the activation fee? Right now, I'm pretty sure it's 125. I think. I think. What should I risk on a 50k funded? I would say 7 contracts. That's what I do. 7 to 10, depending on the confidence of the trade. For me, it's usually 10, but I like to do 7 as well sometimes. Do lifetime. Unlimited trades, always do lifetime. Don't do the monthly fee on Apex. It's a really stupid fee. At the end of the day, if you know that you're going to hold these accounts for more than a month, you're going to lose money. A lot of money. So just do a lifetime. Just pay the extra, like, what, like 20, 30 bucks? Plus, if you get a payout at the end of the day, who cares? You're making that money back. Sorry, I wasn't here you're good, bro. Do we want to take out? Yeah, we want to take out this 491 level so we can get a nice read of a liquidity sweep. So is that yeah? So exactly like that. Yeah. So if we take out liquidity at or not liquidity, if you want to enter a trade, yeah, you would do 14 contracts if you have 2 accounts, and it will just copy trade it and split it, 7 and 7, pretty much. Did you ever get the beta test? No, I don't really care about that stuff. I don't really care about that stuff at all. Bro, no, not like that, bro. I don't know. I just don't. I don't really care. I'm not interested in what they're doing. All I want to do is just trade the accounts. Blast shorts. Not right now. Not right now. There's no setup. We're waiting on it. Blast, you ever been, bro? What? Yeah, bro. Space. It's bro. A lot of people are just randomly getting filled on their accounts, and you just did as well. What? David. Yeah, there will be sometime in the future. Maybe soon. Maybe today. I'm not sure though. They should release a discount soon though. What's your setup? I don't have one. That's why I'm not on a trade. What will be? Oh, I don't know. I don't control that part. Trust me. If I could, I'll leave it that shit off at 90% off all the time. But obviously, I don't control that. I think a lot of people in here are confused with the 30% rule when it comes to paying out. There's no specific limit as to how much you can make a day. For example, on the 50K account, if your balance is 54,000 after 8 trading days, your biggest trading day shouldn't be more than uh. So you can make this money. Well, for me, I just base it off what Apex said in the email. They just said you just can't make more than 30% of the account. They sent a whole email about it because everyone was confused about it. Um, where do you get the lifetime accounts on Apex? I just see monthly. Oh no, that's for the PA. Once you pass your funded account, like the eval phase, they'll ask you like, hey, do you wanna do a one-time fee or do you wanna do a monthly? Always do the one-time fee. It's the best one. Got a good win on your setup this morning. Got out early before it turned. Bro, nice, bro. I really wish it could have gone a little bit lower. It should have, in my eyes, but we can't control that part. You know what I mean? The market, it's been treating us good. You know what I mean? Sometimes it just, you know, it happens. We can't be mad about it. If anything, I got you guys with the next setup. It's just this one. It just didn't wanna get respected. It should have did what it's doing now. Well, with more volume, of course. ES caught up to NQ. ES is kind of just flat right now. Like I said, I don't want to take anything until we take out 491 and maybe even 448. That'll be better. Are we in anything? No. Trust me, you wouldn't know if we're in something. It's just something that you know you would just know. Can you pull everything out of Apex? Yeah, yeah. Remember, it's 100% payouts. It's not like Top Step where it's only 50%. Within the 8 days? No, after 8 days. Can I come? Yeah, bro. I've taken accounts from like, I think it was $100 before getting blown up into a payout. Trust me, it'll be fine. So looking for a setup? Yeah, I'm still looking for a setup. Are you still leaning towards bearish? Right now, I don't have a bias until we take out liquidity, and it'll be this one. We need to see how we react off this one. If we want to go lower, then we'll be bearish. If we want to reverse, then we'll be bullish until these highs appear. But right now, we're in a spot where we're kind of sandwiched, so we don't know what the market's trying to do until we take out a level. So yeah, let me mark out this liquidity up here. Does anyone know how many copy trades you could do with Top Step? 5. Up 320 on 4 my accounts. Thank you. Oh, okay, bro. Take it easy then, bro. Yeah, get off this market then. Get off this market. But yeah, we're not too far from taking out this liquidity. We're like, what, like 20 points away, 25 points away, I would say. Yeah, 25 points away. So we need one more sell-off, and then the thing is, we didn't create a sell-up on the way down, so, you know, we're going to have to see what we can form after this. But we're right there. We might as well take this out. We might as well take this out. And ES is not reacting too much, so we're gonna have to focus on NQ going into the PM session. Now, like I said, 50-minute from rally gap. How much you guys want to bet this is like a 30-point candle? Oh, damn, it's 60. Okay, actually, yeah, we could probably use the 15-minute. It's not too bad. Okay, yeah. Is the guy with no stop loss to win? I don't even know, bro. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to. But yeah, no, this candle is not too bad. Like I said, I would want to see a reaction off 491, a positive reaction. I want to see a nice buying candle to go in. But how many? Okay, this candle closes in a minute, so we can get a setup in like 15 minutes from now, depending on if we sweep or not. Which we're 8 points away, so we should be able to. He took it too hard, bro. Yeah, so, like, so on the 25K account, the max loss is 23,500. Well, it trails. It trails. Remember, so it depends. Enter long? No, 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 no. We're looking for a setup around 491. Are you aiming to go long? Well, right now, like I said, guys, I can't really tell you until I see a reaction from 491. I can't really just predict the future. I need to see the reaction, of course. So we're waiting on that. I just hope price doesn't slow down too much because remember, we do have CPI tomorrow, so price will more than likely slow down as we go into market close. So I don't want to be in anything during the PM session. How does trading work? It just your drawdown moves as the account makes new highs. So the more money you make, the more the drawdown goes up, and it's only temporary. So don't worry about that. It's a temporary thing. But let's see, bro. We're right there at this level. I'm surprised we haven't taken it out yet. Last you trim half at 1-to-1 or a PT1. Well, it depends. It depends on the market, on the setup. If I like it enough, I'll take it. There's no certain number that I just trim at. If I like the profits, I'll just take it. You know what I mean? We're not forced to hold the trade. Oh yeah, we're selling off. Okay, cool. I looked away for a second. But yeah, we need to take out this level. Come on, we're 3 points away. We might as well. Now, if we keep selling off from this, then that won't be the best because I really want to look for an inverse, especially off the 15 minute that you guys mentioned. It'll be a really good trade. It will look like this for now, at least. There you go. So yeah, we need to take out this low, and then we should be good for a reversal. Hopefully, we get a strong one to the point where we inverse this, and then we just take longs into 606. So yeah, it wouldn't look too bad. Now, the only thing that worries me is us, if we do end up getting this trade, it would have to be going into the PM session, which is not good because, like I said, we have CPI tomorrow. So we don't know how price is going to react, and we just took it out, right? So we would want to start expecting some sort of buyer start stepping in around this price range. Obviously, if we go lower, then I'm probably just going to call it because, you know. If I submit a request, can I still trade on the account? No, 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 no. Do not trade on it. Until it says approved, do not take a single trade if you request a payout. Do not trade anything until it says approved. I don't care how good the market looks. I don't care how much money you could have made. You're not going. No, no, not the payout. Oh, yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. They just delete the losses. Full size or light? I might just do something light if we do get it. Just because like I said, the PM session, it's a little questionable. It's whatever. So yeah. But yeah, guys, right now what's going on? Like I said, I want to see a reversal from this point on, right? We want to start seeing buyers step in. If we can manage to inverse this 15-minute fair value gap, we should be good for a long position into these highs up here that we could just use all PM session. What's a good entry point? The inverse. It'll be around 540, 545. That setup we took earlier was A plus. Weird how it went back up. Yeah, no, bro, we already went through it, bro. Trust me, we're bummed out, but what can we do about it? Do you think it could possibly continue going down all the way into London lows? It could, but it's not something I want to trade into. I mean, now that we already took out liquidity at 491, we might as well go up, But yeah, if we want to take out London lows, the thing is, it will take, with the volume that we have now, first of all, it will take too long, and second of all, remember, we're on a time crunch right now. I kind of want to avoid PM session because of CPI tomorrow. Price gets very slow and very ugly. So, yeah. But right now it seems like buyers are stepping in very nice. So, as long as we hold up this candle for 10 more minutes, or 11 or 12 minutes, we should have a very nice gap to work with. Now, hopefully we don't push up too much too quick because then we're not going to have a setup. But, if we can inverse this in 15 minutes from now, we should be good. We should be pretty good, I would say. And I'll just take the setup pretty light, I would say. Just because it's PM. But yeah, we gotta wait 10 minutes no matter what happens. So in the meantime, yeah. Is anyone else account is missing on Tradeovate? Two are missing their, but they just ran away, bro. No, I'm just kidding. Oh no, it's a glitch going on. DC. There's a whole glitch going on with Top Step, Tradeovate, all these firms, where orders are getting rejected and all that stuff. So just give it time. They're probably, I'm sure they're fixing it. If you're close about 580, no, it will be 545. I would say 545. Is it 5 minute 31 point candle? No, we don't use 31 point candles. At least I don't. What if you push up too quick and it ruins our setup? Well, then I'm just gonna get off. Your original setup is working out now? I know, bro, I know. It hit the price target, but what can we do about it, bro? We got stopped. If my full size is 5 contracts, my light size should be, I would say 3. Yeah, 3 is not too bad. 2 is too little. You're not gonna make practically anything. So yeah, do 3. It might be because of the Tradeovate and DayTrader merge. No, they own each other. They've always owned each other. They're gonna merge. That's weird because I'm pretty sure NinjaTrader owns Tradeovate. So I don't know. But yeah, guys, like I said, we can't really do anything for the next 9 minutes until the setup closes. And then whatever happens from there on out, we should be able to get something. Now, don't expect, if we do end up getting the setup, do not expect anything crazy at all. Like at all. Because obviously if we do take the setup, we're gonna take it going into lunch hour, which the volume is gonna be dead. And like I said, we have CPI tomorrow. So expect maybe 25 points again, maybe 30, maybe 40, hopefully 100, but I don't think so. Maybe like 40, 50 points. So yeah, we'll see. And like I said, guys, if we keep selling off below this level, I'm probably just gonna call it. Because by the time we get a setup down here, it's gonna take way too long. I'll take anything. Okay, well, I'll try. I'll try to give you guys something. Are you gonna take it? Obviously. If not, I wouldn't be here waiting for it and be bored. Can you answer my question? What is your question? Where is it? I don't see it here. Yeah, I don't see your question, bro. This one? Oh, it's right there. What do you think about the setting on top step that liquidates position and blocks you after your daily profit hit? It's actually really useful because a lot of you guys are very greedy. Some people don't take profits when they should. Some people trade when they shouldn't. Some people trade after they make money. It should be. It's a good thing. It's a good feature. And obviously you could turn it off and on, you know? So yeah. Looking for IFG for longs? Yeah, but obviously we need to close this 15 minutes, so we're waiting on that first. Could I set up yesterday and trigger it for 300 pro? No, don't do 300. Do like more. Do more, obviously. But yeah, I think 300 is too little. You're stopping yourself from making money. How much? I'm only 50k eval. For the eval, I don't know. Wait, hold on. We're starting off. I don't know, cause I don't really do that. I don't know. I don't think the number really matters. Just don't do 300. You're stopping yourself from greatness pretty much. But yeah, like I said, guys, hopefully we don't keep selling off too much because it'll be good, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to get a setup if we do sell off. I'm using limit orders, using your entry, because nah, bro, you're gonna miss it a lot, bro. There's gonna be times where you're gonna miss the entry a lot because of that. Just do market order. You don't mind missing a few trades. I don't know about a few. You're gonna miss a lot, but you know, I would do. I would just do market. Man, we're selling off nice here. How many points is this? 40 points. Okay, if anything, we could use the 5 minute instead. We really could. If we keep selling off more, then yeah, we could. But yeah, I was not expecting this sell off so early. Let me stick to the 15 minute for now. If we keep going lower, then yeah. But shouldn't we wait for ES to take out that level? Nah, bro, ES is flat right now. Well, it's alright. Let's see. We have 10 seconds to this candle. If we can dump a little bit more, I might just switch over to the 5 minute for a setup. Because what we could do is we could just use this London low and just inverse this Ferrari gap after. That'll be a lot better. Let's see. Yeah. No, forget about that gap. Okay, yeah. Forget about the gap. But yeah, this might, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, this might be looking like a PM session type of trade. Because it's moving a little slow. It's. But once it plays out, it'll pay. I'm sure. Can you repeat what we're looking for? We're looking for a sweep from 491 on the 15-minute time frame, and we're looking for an inverse off this Ferrari up to then target liquidity 1, and then all-time highs up here. So yeah, we're waiting the 4 minutes. That's why I haven't really said anything. Are you looking at shorts? No, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. Obviously, it might take some time, but patience is the name of the game at the end of the day. Now, I really wish we could have helped this Ferrari up a little bit more because it does look pretty good, but it's whatever. Quick little scalp. Nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. I'm still waiting on my scalp. I'm prepared for the worst, expecting the best. Is that the saying? I think that's the saying. Cause we're getting closer and closer and closer to lunch hour, but man, I really want to take the setup. It's just I'm expecting, or I'm prepared for the market to just chop out very soon. I'm prepared for it. So we'll see. But yeah, right now it seems like we're sweeping, which is a good sign. And this kind of closes in 2 minutes. So are you gonna update the schedule? Oh yeah, I gotta post it, but I completely forgot about the schedule. Yeah, I got you guys. I'll do this. I'll do it after this live. Yeah, I got you. I got you. I got you. If you still haven't hit your safety net, but have made 30% of your profits for the day, would you stop or continue? I think you're kind of forced to stop because of the 30% rule. Ah, bro, today could have been such a fast day. You guys don't understand, bro. I'm just. I know I keep bringing it up. I'm just so disappointed in the setup that we had. It was such a good setup, and it just had to get messed up by nothing. We could. I promise you guys right now, I'll be in bed. I'll be sleeping. That was really good. It was really good, bro. It was really good. But we gotta deal with it. I know I keep saying that. I keep bringing it up, but it just. I feel it's hard not to think about it when it goes back to our TPs. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's still, bro. You know what else is still massive? Let me see. When there's a divergence between the indices, what do you usually do? I just look for the leading one. How do you figure out when to trim? Bro, guys, there is no secret behind it. If you guys like your profits, take it. Your job in the market is not to catch the whole move. It's to catch your share. All right, guys. So yeah, just trim whenever you want. It's not a big deal. Okay, what do you mean the leading one? The one, yeah, pretty much, yeah, the one that's stronger, the one that has more volume, the more movement, more everything. But okay, guys, we finally closed this fair value gap. So now all we have to do is push up. That's all we need. Um, which I don't know how long it will take because obviously look at the time. But all we need here, guys, is for us to just do this. Boom, 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 just like that. We enter here, target above. That's all we need. That's all we need. Now we don't know how long it's gonna take because obviously volume is slowing down. But one can only hope. One can only hope that buyer steps in. So yeah, I'm looking to enter around here, just so you guys can have like the blueprint. I would say, do here you put a 25-point stop loss. I would just put at the bottom of this rally gap, 28 points. It's pretty good. We target PT1, PT2, and PT3 all-time highs. That'd be the best case. Now, obviously, I'm not expecting all-time highs at all, but you never know. You never know. So yeah, I'm looking for something like this. Let me see. I like the idea of trimming half at 30 points. So that way with the 25%, you end up at least 5 points if it stops us out. Yeah, that you can also do it like that. Yeah. Yeah. Now, I'm surprised a lot of you guys didn't take profits when we went down. We saw about what 27 points, 30 points around there. You guys know. I always tell you guys, hey, you guys should trim here. If you don't want to, then that's your problem. Can we look for a retrace to the fair value gap to then target London lows? Well, now that we took out liquidity, I personally wouldn't. I would want to see you have more of a reading based off an inverse, but it depends. It depends on how the market, if the market even wants to go up, right? It depends on how it does it. If we get a lot of buying, then yeah, look for an inverse. You know, I'm surprised you're bullish since we already took out the London highs. No, bro, we have a lot more highs to take out, especially this one and this. No, actually, we have not taken out. Oh yeah, we did. I was about to say. Hey, it's just an intraday type of reading. Trim depends on the fill. No, it just depends on how much you're up. It's not like I said, guys. It's not a secret. You guys don't have to ask. Hey, should I trim here? You ask yourself. Okay, if you like your profits enough, take it. You guys don't have to wait for me to sell. You guys don't have to wait for anyone to sell. Remember, it's you versus you. If you guys like your profits, take it. If you guys don't, then hold it. It's your trade after all. But you guys ask me if like, hey, should I trim here? It's up to you. Obviously, I tell you guys when I trim, and some people still don't trim. So just do you. Bro. But yeah, fingers crossed we get some sort of a push up here. All we need to do is push up 40 points. How hard could it be? Are we supposed to take first trim at PT1? No, you're not supposed to. Guys, you're not forced to do anything in the trade. It's your trade. If you want to trim beforehand and take profits beforehand, do it. If you guys want to hold till PT1, hold till PT1. You're not forced to do anything. You're not supposed to do it. It's if you want to. Like, let's say for example, you're up $2,000 on a trade and it hasn't hit your price target, then you're not forced to hold it. Just take it. Is it possible to pull up the chart you're looking at on your live on the screen? Oh, I don't know. That's something with Discord. Obviously I don't have control over that. That's when you say you're trimming, you usually have. No, it's not a set number. I'm just taking profits. I'm just clicking the sell button, and you guys should be doing the same. Hold on, let me check something real quick. Just trade for me, bro. Hold on, let me check something. Are you selling for light? And this one I'm gonna do light. Just do light. It's just price isn't convincing. It's really slow. There, bro, I love you too, bro. Plus, what do you think about letting us decide your chart color by vote? No, I am not changing this chart, bro. You guys are gonna put like the ugliest colors. Bro, this market is so. That's what I'm telling you guys. Be prepared for the worst. White background. I am not doing a white background. No, never in a million years. I don't know how people do it, bro. Like, how do you wake up in the morning and you're like, let me look at my white background chart? Cause that's what I want to do, bro. Yeah, best bro. Be unique, bro. Yeah, full brightness as well. Yeah, brightest, bro. Like, can you live stream on Profit Insider? Nah, I'm not doing that, bro. I am not doing that. I have my own things to take care of. And I'm only one person at the end of the day. Bro, can price pick up a little bit more? We're trying to get that in MSS. How much you guys want to bet? It's gonna take 30 minutes for us to even go inside of this fair value gap just to see the biggest red candle ever. It always happens. It always happens. Let's do white background and gray and brown candlesticks. Bro, my shit's gonna look like a fucking. Bro, no, that's like the worst color combo ever. The bro get stopped out. I'm not in a trade, bro. This is just so you guys can see where I want to enter from. Don't actually like use this like you know. This is just so you guys see where I want to enter. Oh, diamonds! I already processed it. I already processed it. It's a matter of time till it gets to you. Last 50. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I got you, diamonds. I got you. Bro. Bro, David. Uh, bro, what type of question is that, bro? Check the items about the crypto trading bot when you get a chance. Crypto trading bot? What? Let me see. Crypto trading bot. Oh, I got, bro. Damn, I have a lot. I have a lot of DMs. I'm just gonna leave them there. Bro's asking, no, 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 no. He's creating a crypto bot. I was about to say, I don't do crypto, but I saw it. I'm like, oh, no, I don't. I think we see a dump, bro. If we see a dump, I'm getting off. Shit, I want to get off right now, bro. This market's boring as hell. I don't want to do PM. But man, I'm super bummed with the trade today, guys. You don't like. David, can you take a look at the three messages I sent up top? I want to know your opinion. I got you. Let me see. Okay, damn, bro. You typed a lot, bro. Okay, one more thing. I've been using the fair value gap strategy. And basically, I'm on a 50K account and I take 25 micros. Bro, nah, 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 nah. Go down, bro. Go down. Use like 10 at a time. So I'm actually risking a lot. Oh, at least you know that. But what I do is just let it play out until I'm positive. So you're okay. So you're oversizing. You're not trading with a stop loss, and you're just holding the trade until it goes green. Okay, so that's we gotta work on that. All right, because the market has a lot of momentum. If the setup is correct, so I just stay in the trade max 15 minutes, and usually like 3 minutes, I made $2,300 in 5 to 6 days. Bro, be careful, please. Be careful. And I didn't do more because I can't make more than 750 in a day. Yeah, bro, just be careful, please. It's not. It's just the smartest thing to do. All right, try to size down, use a stop loss, and just let the trade do its thing. Is it 9% off discount for Apex Live? No, not anymore. Not anymore. Blast, do you ever get concerned that the market already moved X amount of points, so it might chop as long as there's volume, you don't care? Yeah, no, as long as there's volume, I don't care. You can work off anything in the market. I thought being strict with take profits was just as important as stop loss. No, bro, no, you could take, bro, no, no, no. Just be strict with your stop loss, but your take profit, you could be open to it. If you want to take profits now, take profits now. If you want to take profits later, then do later. You're not forced to hold the trade. Like no one has you at gunpoint. Like hey, hold the trade. You know what I mean? At least I don't think so. I would hope not. Yo, bro, Batman. Yo, David, remember last week or 2 weeks? I got like 10 episodes. I got you, bro. I got you, Gear. DM me real quick. DM me, bro. This market is so slow and boring, bro. Oh my god, bro. I say call it to be honest. I want to call it, but it's like we have the setup there. It's just I might just do text because I actually do want to call it. This thing is really boring. Speak for yourself. I owe some Russia's money, and this is my only way. Bro, just give up at this point, bro. Just call it quits. How's Krabby doing for today? I think he's flying right now, so he's not trading. Bro, Krabby hasn't traded in like 2 weeks. Yeah, he hasn't traded in a very long time. Now, obviously, I don't want to get off just yet because I don't want to just leave you guys with a bad play like today. Although it wasn't bad, the setup was good, but it just didn't play out as how we wanted. I really don't want to leave you guys with just that, but just the market is just not giving us anything. So, it's not much I could do. Does the gap have to be 40 points or the whole candle? No, the whole candle. The gap doesn't matter. The gap could be very small. The gap could be huge. As long as the candle is 40 or more points, it's valid. You're good? Bet. I mean, to be fair, we did catch a 120 point trade yesterday, and I know a lot of you guys held. So I know a lot of you guys are still green on the week. So I'm not too mad about it. But it is a little bit disappointing how we let such a good setup go to waste. Was it even a bad trade? People learn. Yeah, of course, of course. Can you make a max take profit on Tradeovate? Limiting myself to yeah, you can do it over the settings. And we're selling off right now. Nice. Yeah, I'm about to get off and just come back. If I have to come back later, then I will. But I don't know about that. Straight down to 440. Yeah, I mean 448 would be the level. I don't know about 440, but 448 would be a lot better. We have that London low right there. Alright, bro, take care. Alright, yeah, guys, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off for now. If I do see something, I'll probably do text alerts. Cause I wasn't even planning on trading PM, but you know, there's an exception today. We're trying to top about, and they messed up, so I'm trying to get a refund. I bought it Friday, and then they'll deny a trade on it. Yeah. But alright, guys. If I do see something later, I'll post it in the commentary, and I'll do an alert. I don't know if I'll do live because I wasn't planning to, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright, guys. My bad for today. Obviously, I can't control the market, but I tried. Alright, guys. If anything, I'll see you guys tomorrow for CPI, so be ready for tomorrow. Be ready to be quick. We have some volume coming in, so be ready for that. Alright, guys? Alright, peace out, guys. I'll see you guys hopefully later if we do get a setup. Alright? Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys. My bad for today. I did see that some of you guys did go green, which is amazing. But obviously the trade didn't play out how we wanted to today. We ended up getting about 30 points before we got stopped out on our final contracts. But hey, the market won't always be in our favor every single day. You know what I mean? So guys, I'm gonna call it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for CPI. So be ready for that. Hopefully you catch some big trades, you know, some 100-point trades. But we'll see. I'll try my best. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. If you guys do want to join the premium to get live trading with no delay, click the first link in the description. And yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Peace out, guys. Peace.